Thanks for watching the video, and here is what it is. So with the Oraimo Sound app, it is not compatible on it will not support all Oraimo devices, as in all headsets, all AirPods, all device. Okay, not all devices will be supporting the Oraimo Sound app that you can just be controlling this. Okay, just make sure you subscribe and like the video for more videos right here on this platform. Now let's start with this and let's dive into this. So just download the Oraimo Sound app from Play Store or App Store. Just check it out and then download, and then you open the app. When you first open the app, you will see it like this. You tap on agree down here. When you tap on agree, it will then show you the full list of devices that can support. Okay, then you tap on the well noted down here. After that, you can sign in or log into your Oraimo app. Okay, so when you look at the top left, you can tap on it right there, and then you can tap on the login or create your account. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you can sign up right there, but it is not compulsory. You can just come back, you tap on the add device right here. When you tap on the add device, then you will give access to your location so that it can just check available connectivity around your environment. Okay, so you tap on while using the app or just one time. Okay, and then you allow it to find and connect nearby devices, but make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, so make sure it is turned on, and also you allow it to make and manage calls. You tap on to allow, and then you will turn on, yes, your Bluetooth. If it is not turned on, you give it access to just turn on. Okay, after that, it will search for available Bluetooth devices within your environment. So have yours around and then just turn it on. When you turn it on, it will detect and then you select it. So this is Oraimo Boom Pop 2S. You tap on it. So you will tap on the device, it will then connect. And then you will tap on the device right here. And when you swipe like this, you can easily delete the connected Bluetooth device right here. Okay, so there's it. When you tap on it, now we are diving into the connectivity whereby you make changes to the equalizer. Okay, but make sure you check this out. These are also additional features that you can also use. So with the Boompop 2S, it supports gesture control. You can tap on gesture control right here to turn it off, or you can turn it on right here. Also, if you are playing games, you see the experience should be different from your normal listening of music and playing audio videos, I mean media. Okay, so you can tap on the game mode to activate game mode so that you have better experience with your games. Okay, and you can also turn this off if you're not in games. Now let's get into the equalizer. But make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, if you want to know the review about this Oraimo product, I have videos that you can also check them out with the Boompop 2, Boompop 2S, and also other Oraimo products like the Power Box and then the Oraimo smartwatch. Yes, a lot is on this platform. So just make sure you check them out right here. So when you just open the equalizer, mostly you will have yours at the heavy bass TM, this one. Okay, but you can just switch from that to the standard one. They have already made equalizers that you can also turn on. So you have the standard, the heavy bass, and then we have the rock, we have the jazz, we have the vocal. And you can also tap on the create to create yours. So if you're good with equalizer, you can just tap on it and then you can just lower the decibels, and also yes, increase some or lower some. I'm not good at that, but yes, just if you are not good at this, just go back. Okay, and then you would select any one of these. But if you are good, when you go to the create, after creating it at the top right corner, then you select save right here. So all that you'll be doing is to be dragging right here to be making your own equalizer as you are listening to a song. So let's say when you play a song, you can come here as you are listening, then you'll be changing and then you'll be seeing whether it is okay for you or not. Okay, so yes, and then you tap on save and then it will be added right here. So you could see create one. So when you tap on the create one, then you can listen to your own made equalizer. You can also create another one, and then that will be create two. So create as many equalizer that you want. Just make sure that it will not harm your ears. Some tuning can also affect your hearing, so make sure you don't give that chance.